Well, today we're getting ready to assemble this 6-panel door that we just made. It's a replica of an older door, but we've improved it. It's a big, heavy door. It's 2 inches thick, solid African mahogany, and we're almost ready to assemble this. We have these panels that are made, raised panels are called, and they snap into grooves in the rails. And then the rails, even this little piece and all these pieces, they have dowels in them, and we're going to dowel this door together with many, many dowels. This is just a little sample piece here, and this will all snap together. It'll be doweled together, and we'll let it sit overnight with a slow drying epoxy, and this will become a beautiful door. See, look at the panel on this. This is 1.5 inches thick or more, and that will snap into these rails, similar to this down here. And so that's where we're at on our Greek Revival House front door.